Needless to say, your boat has to be kept at its best possible condition if it is your dream to take pleasure in a trouble-free, relaxing and thrilling sailing experience. To boot, one of the most common issues that boat owners have to deal with is flaking or fading paint. This does not only give the boat unsightly overall look, but it could also bring about more serious damages to the vessel. There are many products available to choose from best boat paints, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best boat paints from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Marine Topside Paint. If you are looking for excellent quality marine paint for wood, then you can give this practical product a chance to prove its worthiness. For a fact, aside from wood, it can also be used to paint fiberglass and other metal surfaces above waterline. This would make the ideal pick for those who prefer smooth finish and gloss retention, as it works wonderfully in sustaining the elegance and aesthetics of surfaces. This boat paint dries quite fast in any surface it goes on. And many consumers prefer it because it can create super solid high gloss surface that could also resist sun's harmful UV rays. This is very smooth sailing to apply in fiberglass, metal and wood surfaces. Number 2. TotalBoat Wet Edge Topside Paint. Spraying a boat with top quality vessel paint is a must if you want to provide ultimate protection to your watercraft. This topside paint is renowned for its durability, gloss retention and superior colors. Unlike other boat paints out there, this is painless to clean. This boat paint can offer more marine paint colors, which means you can freely choose the one you think would best match your vessel. It is manufactured to be solid single-component marine polyurethane that could ensure stunning finish with utmost abrasion resistance. The best of all, it could provide professional-looking final outcomes with the aid of good quality roller and brush. On the other hand, a couple of downsides that you must take a look at this boat paint product are its poor customer service support, and it calls for more thin layer application before you could acquire your desired finish. Can cover 350 by up to 400 square feet per gallon. Adept at providing impressive finish with paramount abrasion resistance. Designed with self-leveling formula that's easy to brush. Available in a total of 21 well-known colors. Sold at a very decent price. Number 3. TotalBoat Aluminum Boat Paint. If you own a galvanized or aluminum vessel, this boat paint can be your ideal partner to successfully accomplish a captivating paint job. Aside from helping your old-looking watercraft look amazing again, it can also provide utmost shield it deserves against different kinds of harsh elements. This contains low odor and does not come with chromate formulation. Buying it does not need to extremely hurt your pocket as it is reasonably priced. In addition to these, you can select from several available colors, such as earth brown, light gray, army green, white, black and khaki. This paint can dry fast within merely 1 hour at 72°F. If it is your wish to give your boat a more attractive style, this paint can help you achieve that. A few of the things that you need to bear in mind if you plan to buy this boat paint are its tendency to necessitate a number of coats to be applied prior to obtaining satisfying final results, and you need to check the Number 4. Rust-Oleum Marine Flat Boat Antifouling Paint. Looking for the best paint for boat hull can be a vexing task, primarily if you do not have much knowledge about the right paint that can do the job in a sterling approach. You can see what this product can offer you. If you hope to work on steel, wood and fiberglass surfaces, this paint would work like a charm for your needs. Its protective coating is superior at combating algae, barnacles and other sorts of marine growth. This is useful for both marine and freshwater applications. Many boat owners pick this brand because of its amazing adhesive qualities. It can perform outrageously, reason why it was tagged as one of the most top drawer out-drive anti-fouling paints available today. It's a little overpriced, but it is well worth it. Be that as it may, a few negative sides to look upon if you decide to purchase this boat paint are its very irritating and disturbing smell, and the seal on the paint can is prone to coming off fast and could cause paint leaks if not handled carefully. Number 5. Interlux Brightside Polyurethane Paint. If you are fishing for a second to none fiberglass boat spray paint, then it helps if you're going to conduct a little research first, so you don't end up feeling regretful buying the wrong choice. This product can be one of your best bet if you want to restore the fiberglass of your watercraft. This paint for watercrafts is designed with fluoro-microadditive contents that are meant to help intensify resistance to stain and guarantee less laborious cleaning task. Take in mind that proper rolling as well as tipping works quite well, but this must be executed in a slow mode. Otherwise, you would uncover runs where you do not expect them. Apart from this, do not miss sanding, otherwise, you could encounter some flaws that would look quite visible through the paint. Be sure to follow manufacturer's application instructions. Nonetheless, some of the lapses that you need to be watchful of if you pick this product are the tendency of the paint to sag, and if you want to end up having a nice, that's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.